using a 3mm hook and this yarn. This yarn is 100% acrylic flash. I think it's a baby yarn. I got it from a charity shop, definitely. Yeah, if you know those that love cheap things, that is me. So I'm going to teach you how to do easy crochet for beginners. So this is how you make a loop. A loop is like this. So for me, the easy one, there are so many easy ones, so I can show you the easy ones. There is this, so you make it like a fish kind of thing and put here. So I leave this here, hold it with my right hand, hold it with my left hand, I yarn over and I pull through the loop. Because I'm holding this, it can't go through, so I pull through the loop, pull over the first one, and then go over, and then go over. So I make the chain, chain, chain. That's how you make a chain. And if you want the other easy one, the other one is the scout one. Get this and turn it around and make a hole. It's just like a scout rope. If you have done scouting, it's just like a scout rope. Yeah, this is a rope for scouts. So you do this and you have a loop and then you chain through. That is a second other way you can make a loop. The third one is definitely the other easy one. You just do this and bring this through. So you have a loop like this. Put the hook through and hold here, make a loop. But this is a little bit hard. It needs when you have learned how to do enough of the crochet. So you can make the other two that are easy. So we are going to do a chain. I will teach you how to do a chain. Like I said, this is the easiest one for me. I do this, put a hook over, hold this and bring here, hold on the right, and I have a first rope, and then I chain through, chain through, chain through, and chain through. Those are 4 chains, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So depending on what you want to make, we can begin with a baby shoe. It's the easy one. Or we can just make a square. I remember when we were starting to learn how to do crochet in school, we would begin with a square. And this is a chain, and there are different stitches. There is a slip stitch, there is a single stitch, a double stitch, double, triple stitch, quadruple stitches. So we begin with the easy ones. So a slip stitch is used for when you're finishing something. So you skip one chain, you go into the next, and you have two on the hook, and a slip stitch, you just slip through the first stitch on the hook. You go on the next chain, you yarn over, you have to unslip over the chain on the hook and go through, pull through the loop, yarn over, so we are doing a slip stitch. Wow, so this is how our slip stitch looks like. I don't know if you can see so well. I need to get a better phone or a better camera. Then we yarn over. So we have begun with a slip stitch to do a foundation from a chain to a slip stitch. Now we can learn, so this is our slip stitch. I didn't bring my scissors, so I will use my hands. Oh, it's hard to break. Yeah. So this is our first slip stitch. We make another chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. So we have our chain. We are going to learn a single stitch. So a single stitch, you have one yarn over the hook, you skip one chain, go through a chain on the chain, and pull through the loop. You have two yarns on the hook, and you go through both. This is a single stitch. Pull over the loop, pull through the loop, chain stitch, a single stitch. I don't know if you can see well. So this is how a single stitch looks like. Pull through the loop, chain over, pull through the loop, chain over, pull through the loop, and chain over, pull through the loop, chain over, pull through the loop, chain over, pull through the loop, and chain over. So we have our single stitch. This is how it looks like. Yeah, just like